Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Garageband by creating a new song and picking an audio-compatible track. Import the file from Files or Voice Memos or Record directly. This is faster and avoids later format issues. Once the audio is in, tap to trim and move the region so the most recognizable section sits in the first 30-40 seconds. Make sure looping is off and the start point is exact, because this determines what plays when your ringtone rings. Now refine the clip. Zoom in and use split and trim to cut dead space, and apply a short fade in or fade out so the ringtone isn't abrupt. Adjust the track volume and touch the FX or EQ to ensure clarity on phone speakers. Once satisfied, confirm the final region is under 30 seconds. This is mandatory for iPhone ringtones. Export by sharing as a ringtone within Garageband and give it a clear name so you can find it in settings. Finish by selecting Share Ringtone and choose Export. Garageband registers the file in Sounds, so go to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics to assign it. If it doesn't show up, connect to your computer and use Finder or iTunes to sync ringtones manually. Make sure the M4R file is in the correct section. If the sound is clipped or too quiet, reopen the project, increase master volume slightly, and reconfirm the length is under 30 seconds before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.